1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday Coupe. Of course, the Holiday referring to the two-door hardtop. Color of this car, number 62 Coral. So paint code 62 and paint code 65 Shell Beige. What a cool combination, especially on a 50s car. It just looks the part. Let's take a look at this front grille. Bright work, headlight surrounds, of course, the iconic Oldsmobile logo on the front with the North and South America. .324 with a 4-barrel underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed Hydromatic automatic transmission. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price of this vehicle. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll be able to check up on each one of those tires, close-ups. In the still pictures, you'll see that it's got wheel covers with wide white wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Of course, the 88 insignia on the side of it. And as you can see, paint shows well on this vehicle. Be a great one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Interior, also a two-tone. Cloth, vinyl or leather blend. It's also kind of highlighting that coral color on the exterior, so kind of a gray and coral, I guess, if you will. There is a aftermarket stereo in the glove boxes that is working. Stock one is not, just to make sure you're aware of that for the next purchaser. There's also a folder with some miscellaneous paperwork, manila envelopes, an actual service manual, some showroom brochures, and like owner's manual, that type of thing. And you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out those still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Of course, the Rocket V8 underneath the hood, and kind of that rocket looking medallion on the rear trunk, and again that North America, South America medallion on the deck lid. Again, very cool looking car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That is going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pictures. Of course, the fender skirts. Another thing to remember too is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to take a peek at this car, maybe you can't make it yourself due to time or distance. Not a problem. Third-party inspectors welcomed. Door panels. Again, that kind of gray and coral color. Free of rips, tears, holes, seat belts front and rear. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And we'll check out underneath the hood. Alright. Ammeter here moved up. That was a cold start, so I don't expect temp gauge to move. And if you take a look over at the fuel, that one moved up, as well as oil pressure right there. I did mention stock stereo is in the dash, but that aftermarket one that is working down here in the glove box. So that is working. It's a good looking interior. Let's check out the headliner quick too. Looking good. Again, 324 Rocket V8 underneath the hood with 4-barrel. Power steering, power brakes, and let's go check that stuff out. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. Check it out. Look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Oldsmobile rocket. There is a battery disconnect you can see here. Power steering. Good looking engine bay. Looks pretty stock. Just kind of cool to see. You wouldn't have to worry about having the hood up on this car during a car show or roll in. Looks good under here. And again, kind of nice stock looking engine bay. That cool green and yellow rocket V8. 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88. Very, very nice condition car. This is a two-door. This is an automatic on the column. Smooth running vehicle. Very stock and original in appearance and feel. Our turn signal indicators are working. Speedometer also working. The amp gauge is over half on the gauge. Fuel is just about at half. The oil pressure is showing about 45. We do have a little bit of wind noise from these front wing windows with some old leather stripping on them. Very nice condition, interior and paint and engine. Smooth ride from this car. Comfortable factory bench seats. I always like the Oldsmobiles and the Buicks. They're just a little different than the Chevys. A little more style. Under the dash we have a temperature gauge reading about 180. The wipers and blower motor do function on this car. Brakes work very well. A luxurious ride carries into the corners. Nice soft suspension. Kick down working well on the transmission. As we're going down the highway, if I let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight in the lane. The steering wheel does appear to be cocked to the right just a little. That does not affect performance at all. Very comfortable, easy to drive. 1955 Oldsmobile. You'll want to check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.